Hey y'all, it's your girl Gmail, and I have something in store for you guys today. So what I'm going to be doing is some crochet tutorials. Ta-da! So the first video is just going to be your basic slip knot and chain, because that's basically the start of any project. That's how you turn a string into a project. It all starts with the slip knot and the chain. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how to do a slip knot and a chain 10. We're just going to start off small with just a chain 10. So stay tuned. So we're going to start with the slip knot, which basically you just wrap the yarn around your finger like so and pull through. I'm going to show you that one more time because a lot of people like to use the needle to pull through. So you wrap it around, put that string underneath that circle, and you can pull it through with the hook like some people like to do. I don't like to do that. It's quicker and easier for me to just do it with my fingers, so I just pull through the circle like that. And then to make the chain, what you want to do is stick the needle in the hole and pull to tighten it. And then you don't want to make it too tight though, but then you just pull through the hole. Wrap the yarn around the needle and pull through the hole. Wrap it around and pull it through. Wrap it around and pull it through. I think we should have 5 stitches at this point. We want 10, so that's we're going to wrap it around and pull it through until we get up to 10 stitches. So we're going to wrap it around, pull it through, wrap it around and pull it through, and then we just repeat that process until we get the number of stitches that we desire, and then we stop. And next I'm going to show you how to do a single crochet inside of those chains.